Good evening everyone and welcome back to our live. Ayan. This is the battle between the Xiaomi once again versus the DJI. According sa ating standing, with a 3-1 ang Xiaomi and 2-2 ang DJI. Tingnan natin kung makakabawi dito ang Xiaomi against the DJI. Kasi if I'm not mistaken, ito ang kanilang unang talo against the DJI. Tingnan natin kung makakabounce back dito ang mga naka-orange. First ball mula sa DJI and the first basket for jersey number 12 of the DJI, number 0. Oh, that's a travel. Good defense for DJI. Bombares, number 25, Bobby. Pass to Pangilinan. Bombares. Uy. Take a shot. Basket is good. By Panganiban. Guerrero. Bad pass. Here comes number 3, drop pass to Bombares. Basket is good for Bombares. Correction, that's 4-0. 4-2? 4-0 rather. Zamora pass to number 29 to number 10. What a nice move for Xiaomi. 6-2 according na sa aking get the shot. Uy! Munti ka na yun, idol. Gets the foul on the free throw area, number 90, and that's Bobby Bombares. That is good. Bombares, 2 for 2. 8-2. Our official score. Guerrero. Pass number 20. Zamora from elbow 3. No good. Rebound by Bobby. Bombares nagmamadali. Bombares derecho. Miss. Oh, rebound by Guerrero. Guerrero gets the foul. Hi, King. Number 29. Spin, drive, miss. Rebound by number 12. Number 12 ng mamadali. Alemante derecho. Miss. Gets the rebound. Somera, miss. Rebound ng DJI. Uy. That's a backcourt violation. Bola rito ng Xiaomi. 6 minutes and 30 seconds. Number 0, 4-3. No good. Rebound. Out of bounds. Same ball. That's a DJI basketball. Sorry, that's Xiaomi. Zamora. Cross-court pass to number 0. Number 0, 4-3. Short. Rebound ng DJI. Here comes Alemante. Number 12. Basket is good by Alemante. Guerrero with the ball. Guerrero di diskarte. Guerrero cross, nabitawan, gets the out of bounds. Same ball. Ayan, magandang gabi po sa lahat ng manonood nating live. Ayan niya, Katanyag. Derecho gets the reverse layup for the DGI. Timeout. Xiaomi. Fisher scores 12-2. Ang pinapakita nga ng DGI na karapat dapat silang magbigay ng kabiguan sa Xiaomi. Ayan, lamang sila ng 10. And shoutout po kay Ma'am Ivy Yeng and Sir Jasper Yeng is watching. Ayan, maraming salamat po sa lahat ng bumubuo ng ating maliga. Ayan. Back to the ball game at 12-2 ang ating official score with the time remaining 5 minutes and 12 seconds, 22 seconds. Change 5 na po tayo. Number 0 for 3, no good. Rebound number 0 para sa Bombaren. Katanyag, Grunil by number 0. Paso Guerrero all the way, yes sir. What a nice communication by number 0 to Guerrero. Miss rebound by Guerrero. Guerrero na naman nagmamadali. 2 against 2. Guerrero binale and gets the foul. Number 18. On the free throw area. That's Guerrero. Basket is good. Second shot for Guerrero. Wala. Another rebound ba? Steal ng DGI. DGI nagmamadali. Katanyag. Bad pass. Out of bounds. Xiaomi basketball. Outlet pass. Guerrero. Guerrero drive. Guerrero. Uy, nice move by Guerrero. Umahabol ang Xiaomi. 12-7. Bombares spin. Drive, steal. Walang tawag. Number 0. 3 against 2. Number 0 for 3. Short. Out of bounds. DGI basketball. Alfred. Pass to Bobby. And that's a 3 seconds violation. Mahabol na po ang Xiaomi. 7-12 ang ating talan. Number 0 with the ball. Didiskarte. Number 0. Pass to Guerrero. The big brother. Ayan. Uy, nice behind the back pass. Yun lang, hindi naka-convert pero merong putback. Get their own miss for jersey number 29 of Xiaomi. Oh, and that's a step in on the line. Good defense for Xiaomi. At kitang-kita yun ang ating mga official. Number 0, bounce pass. Guerrero gets the foul. Ganda naman ang pasahan nun. On the free throw area, jersey number 30, and that's Guerrero. And first, basket. Mula sa free throw area by Guerrero. Second shot for Guerrero. Basket na naman. 2 for 2. Isa na lang ang kalamangan ng DGI. Bobby. Bobby sidestep using the board and gets the basket for Bobby Bobares. Ayan na, number 0. Hesi. I-discarte. Number 0. Hesi, drive. Bad pass. Makuha ng DJI. Number 18. All the way. Sumabay ka pa. By jersey number 16. 16-11. Number 29. 15 seconds. Ooh. Gets a foul. Last 46 seconds sa ating first period. Number 29 on the free throw area. First shot is good. Second shot by number 29. Grabe, walang kupas-kupas yun. 2 for 2 for Xiaomi. Down by 3. Bobby. 40 seconds. Setting on the screen. Bobby. Stop and pump. Short. Rebound by Guerrero. Guerrero nagmamadali. Hesi. Last touch. Xiaomi basketball. Kitang-kita yun natin mga visual. Last 26 seconds. Number 29. Attacking the basket. And one. By jersey number 26. Ayan na, to tie the game. That's jersey number 29. Ludria. Not mistaken. Matatabla ba? Ayan na, tabla na tayo sa 16. Last 19 seconds. Bobares. Crossover. Uy. Uy, nakalusot. Hindi kay number 19. Blocked by number 29. Last 4 seconds. 3 seconds. 3 second shot lang. Oh, that's a travel. At dito na po nagtatapos ang ating first period. Official scores all 16. Nakahabol ng 10. Ayan, shoutout po muli kila Mami Ivy Yeng at sa ating mga official. Tabla na tayo sa 16. Ayan, next game po natin ang Vivo versus Samsung. The ball game. We're going to the second period. Bola ito ng Xiaomi. Guerrero. Pass number 0. Number 0. Oh, lifting violation. Ayan. Nakita yun ng ating official. It's a violation for Xiaomi. Bola mo bumata sa DJI. Bobares. Pinagay. Cross. Ayan na. Pinagay sa loob. Pinalik. To Bobby. Bobby fake. Bobby. Take a shot. No good. Rebound. Steal ng DJI. Bobares fake. Bobares. Gets a 3. No good. Rebound by number 29. Number 29, didiskarte. Pinagay sa corner. Number 10, 4-3. No good. Rebound. Fade away shot. Miss. Rebound again by number 29. Spin. Take a shot and gets the foul. On the free throw area, number 29. That's Lobria. First shot, miss. Running time po tayo, running time. Basket. 17-16 ang ating official score. Lamang na ang Xiaomi. Okay, sa corner. Oh, there's a foul. Mas ba? Foul by Guerrero. Number 3 on the free throw area. First shot is good. All 17. Second shot by number 3. 2 for 2. Balik ang kalamangan sa DGI. 18-17. Guerrero di diskarte. Pinagay sa 0. Number 4-3. No good. Rebound. Oh, steal. Pangilingan to Bombares. Bombares binala ito sa number 12. Fake. Oh, that's a foul by Zamora. DGI basketball. Number 3 pumps to Bobby. 4-3. Short rebound by Guerrero. Guerrero di diskarte. 4 against 3, 4 against 4. What an extra pass using the glass. Wala. Rebound by number 3. Number 3. Jose. Pass to Bombares. Fake. Bounce pass. Block. To number 3. Drive. Miss. Rebound. Makuha ni Guerrero. Guerrero nagmamadali. Ayan na. Here comes Guerrero. What a pass. Number 0. Basket is good. By jersey number 0. Ayan na. Change favor mula sa Xiaomi. Pass number 19. 4-3. Oh! At may sagot si Bombares. 21-19. Guerrero, pass to number 9, 29. With a finger roll, wala. Rebound ng DGI. Katanyag gets the foul and one for Katanyag. No basket and step it on the line. $19-22 ang ating change 5 muna tayo. Time remaining 5 minutes and 17 seconds. Ito po ang ating official score, 22-19. Lamang ang DGI. Ay, sige na po. Xiaomi basketball. Hour 0. Jimenez, jump shot, no good. Rebound ng DGI. Pass to Bombares, Bobby. Crossover. Bobby, derecho, too strong. Rebound ng Xiaomi. Jimenez, pass number 0. Bounce pass, what an extra pass, and one by jersey number 10. That's a pushing foul. Ayan na, 23-21. Baba na lamang sa dalawang lamang ng DGI. Wala, rebound again by number 10, fake. Oh my, that's a travel. DGI basketball, 23-21. 2-point lead for DGI. Katanyag to De Jose, 4-3. No good. Rebound. Katanyag na naman. Too strong. Oy! But this time, na out of balance doon si Katanyag. Xiaomi basketball, number 0. Didiskarte. Number 0. Cross. Step back, 4-3, no good. Rebound. Outlet pass. Bobby all the way. Yes, sir. 25-21. Down by 4. Pass number 0, 4-3, no good. Number 10, Sumera with a putback. Down by 2. DGI basketball. De Jose, fake. De Jose, half step. Binale sa ere at may basket yan for De Jose. Grabe ang athleticism dito ni De Jose. So, Jimenez. Pares, 4-3. Wala na naman. Out of bounds. DGI basketball. De Jose, 4-3. Yes, para sa Tares. For De Jose. 30-23. Here comes Sumera. Drive. Oh, that's trouble. Bawal daw yun. Sabi na natin mga official referee. DGI basketball, 30-23. Katanyag. Katanyag, cross. What a pass, number 81. Basket is good. Malaki na po ang kalamangan ng DGI. 32-23. Number 0, pass number 10. Sumera, spin, too strong. Another putback by Sumera. Pares. Pasok Katanyag. Back to Pares. Top of the key. 4-3. Short. Rebound ng Xiaomi. Sumera with the ball. 4 against 2. What extra pass. Number 222. And mahabol. De Jose fake. Oh, gets a foul. Nabilangan ang Xiaomi doon ni De Jose. Last 56 seconds. De Jose shooting on 4-2. First shot missed. Second shot by jersey number 3. Wala. Rebound number 29. Pass to number 0. Number 0. Oh. Out of bounds. DGI basketball. Katanyag. Up and under. Miss. Rebound by Jimenez. Jimenez ang mamadali. Binigay. Home steal. Out that pass. Pares all the way. Basket is good. 34-27. Yeng. Pull up. Basket. By number 0. Oh! Bombares na naman. Oy! At dito na po nagtatapos ang ating our second quarter. Ayan, di na po muna tayo magkakat siguro. For the meantime, (34-29), 5.8 for DGI. Alright, sige, magkakat muna tayo muli. Maraming pong salamat, especially and kay Ma'am Ivy Yang, shoutout po, and kala Sir Jasper, sa lahat ng bumubuo ng ating liga. We would like to thank syempre ayan, ang ECI Group, ang Mancom, kala Sir Ronald Chan, Alma Buentipo, Aubrey Estilier, Hani Carian, Cheryl Corato, Audrey Ann, Nes Geroy, Patricia Dolot, Lobel Sagigit, and kay Miss Hana Kalimon. Syempre maraming pong salamat sa ating mga sumusuporta. Nandiyan ang Orange Telecommunication Trading Incorporation, AMMSI, ang Achievers Manpower Management Service Incorporation, and nandiyan ang Shimi Incorporation, XMB Philippines Corp, Gizmo Central, and syempre nandiyan ang ayan, ang Vivo, DJI, Samsung, ayan, ang One Drone Incorporation, at magbabalik tayo para sa second half. This is your 1PM. We innovate, we evolve, smarter, bolder, and stronger. Alright, second half, magbabalik tayo. Magkakat muna tayo for the meantime, ha. Maraming salamat po sa inyong panonood.